So if you were sitting in the vehicle, sitting in the seat, right down here is a red lever. So it's right down here. That'd be on the right, at the left side. It's on the left side of the vehicle, but if you were sitting in the seat, it's down here on the left. You're just gonna reach and pull this thing, and then you can hear the hood pop out front. So then now we got to go around the front to be able to open the rest of the hood. So then you go back out. And so, like I said, that's in the driver's side, right at the bottom there. All right, so once you come around to the front of your vehicle, and like I said, we pulled the hood latch from the inside. So we got this little bit of, it pops up by the springs that hold it. So then you would just reach in here. You see this tab right here. You're just going to pull it up, and then that's how you raise your hood, and then your supports will hold it up, and so forth. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.